Good morning, Informed Beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing my exfoliating shower routine, and I'm so excited because I really do like exfoliating. You guys know I'm a skincare fanatic, of course, so exfoliating is just a quick way or something. Exfoliating is something easy to throw into your regimen where you are able to make your skin just feel a lot softer, look a lot smoother, and have a more glowier, vibrant look. So it's something that's really quick you can do in the shower that's going to benefit your skin long term. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this. And also, you guys love my shower routines because the last shower routine, my after work shower routine, that video blew up. So I figured that I just continue the ball rolling also with what you guys are enjoying. So instead of me sitting down and talking about exfoliating extensively, I figured that this would be great to show you how I exfoliate. Also, I do have videos talking about exfoliating and how to exfoliate. So if you want more in-depth videos, I will also have those linked above and down below. More information on exfoliating, why it's important, and I'll touch on that in this video as well. So let's jump into it and let's get exfoliating. Okay, so to start off, we are going to be cleansing the skin, and I'm going to be using Dr. Bronner's Cast Out Almond Scented Bar Soap. Y'all know I love me some Dr. Bronner's, but I like to cleanse my skin before I start. It just gives it a nice clean base to begin with, so we're going to go ahead and clean before we exfoliate. Now, there are so many methods and so many ways in which people exfoliate, when they exfoliate, how they exfoliate. This just works for me. I like to have clean skin before I start to exfoliate. Some people jump right into exfoliation, so it really just depends on what works for you. Alright, so we're going to be using the Tree Hut Tahitian Vanilla Bean Exfoliator. I really do love tea I really do love Tree Hut exfoliators. They are great. I will do a full video talking all about them, but I wet down my skin, and then I go ahead and I take the exfoliator and I give my skin a good rub. I definitely don't rush doing this process. I take my time. I like to full body exfoliate 2 to 3 times out the week from head to toe, and this just really helps with making your overall skin complexion look a lot brighter and your skin be a lot smoother. Also, I do like to do this before I shave. This really helps with getting all the hairs, and so yeah, just I go through and give myself a nice scrub. Also, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Your girl is almost at 10K, and y'all, it's been quite the journey. But yes, if you're enjoying the shower routine and the exfoliating routines, let me know by thumbsing up this video and subscribe. Become part of the Informed Beauty Squad. Y'all, your girl can go through some exfoliator. I definitely do recommend having more than one exfoliator in your shower. Now on to the down below area. I do use my handmade Yoni Scrub. This will actually be going up on my shop pretty soon. But I do use a different scrub for my bikini area than the rest of my body because I don't recommend using the same thing that you use for your body down below. It's a lot more sensitive down there. You just want to use something that is formulated
for the bikini area. So this is my formulation that I made. It has shea butter, it has a little bit of unscented baby castile soap in it, herbs, essential oils, and a lot of great stuff. This will definitely be on my shop pretty soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But another brand that's really great is Soul Veneer. They have a great yoni scrub, but you definitely want to be mindful of what you use down below.
Alright, you guys, so after you do all that lovely exfoliation, you want to make sure you moisturize. But before we jump into the moisturizer that I'm going to use, I want to share with you guys a few other like exfoliating things that I use that I didn't mention in the video. So for my feet, I do use an exfoliator brush. This just works better for me. I put a little bit of soap onto here. It can be the soap that I choose to use for the day, or more like a tea tree soap for antibacterial purposes. And I would just go ahead and scrub my feet in between my toes, all that. And then depending on how my feet are feeling, or if I haven't done it in a while, I'll be using the pumice stone. This is all that I use for my feet. My feet are pretty good, like they're not dry or anything. Already, when I am showering, I do use an exfoliator net. So this is kind of like double exfoliating, because I will exfoliate and then I will use this to cleanse my body. But it's a lightweight exfoliate. Like, this is not as rough as like an exfoliator. A nice clean canvas, ready to shine, ready to glow. It is now important that you put moisture onto that skin. You can't do all that work in the shower and forget to put moisturizer on. So the lotion that I've been obsessed with currently, is the Kapari Coconut Body Milk. Oh my goodness, y'all. This stuff is so, like, a little bit of it goes a long way. It smells delicious. And I'm just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna put that all over the body. As you guys can see, even like a little bit of that, like, you don't need a lot. A little bit of this goes a long way. And you guys, I need to buy another bottle of this stuff. It is not cheap. It's like $30 a bottle, but it is so freaking worth it. I've been eyeballing Kapari for a while now, and I'm just excited that I actually finally went and bought it and took the, tried it out. So yeah, so I go ahead and I apply my body butter or my body lotion or oil all over, just depending on what I'm going to use for the day. And you guys, that is my exfoliating shower routine. It's just a key thing. It's very important to make sure that you are putting exfoliation into your regimen at least 2 to 3 times out the week. And I mean full body, exfoliating everything head to toe. And then you want to make sure you are following up with a moisturizer after you're exfoliating. You want to make sure you are nourishing that skin after you gave it a good scrub. And also, too, another key thing, don't use the same scrub that you use on your body for your bikini area. Definitely find a bikini area scrub. I love what's Soul Veneer. I'll put it here. I also have a review on them, but I love Soul Veneer. I have to order me some more. They've been sold out for a while, but their Yoni Scrub is amazing, as well as I have my own Yoni Scrub that will be dropping in my Etsy shop. So make sure you go follow my Etsy shop and my Instagram so you guys can stay up on that. But definitely just those key things, and your skin will always look its best. It will be soft, smooth, and y'all, the summertime is coming up, so we want to look our best, okay? We want them coming out of quarantine. You want that skin to be looking its best and glowing. So with that being said, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed my exfoliating shower routine. I will leave all things down below for you guys. I will leave all products I use down below and information as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in a later video.